everybody. So guess what I have? I have a package, and this is from SampleSource.com. Now, this is a website that you sign up. They are originally from Canada, but they do deal with people in the United States. They usually do this, I think, 2 or 3 times a year. But what you guys do is you sign up. It's absolutely free, and then they'll let you guys know when it's time to get your boxes. So then what they do is you ask a couple answer a couple questions, and then they'll be like, okay, this is what you all will get. Then like a month or so later, you will finally get that box. And then you forget what's inside. So I can't remember what I signed up for. It is random stuff, but I'm pretty excited for it. So if you guys are interested, just go to SampleSource.com and sign up so you guys can get some free goodies. So if you guys sign up, it might take a couple weeks before they do the next one. I mean, I think they only do it 2 or 3 times a year. They let the Canadians do it first, and then whatever's left, then they have the Americans do it. So it's just, that's what they're based out of. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got in my box. So the first thing I got, and my cat has tried this in the past, is Royal Canin. It is cat food. It is kind of expensive cat food. I know you can get it at like PetSmart or Petco, but I got a nice, decent sample for her to try, and she always likes trying new things. I'm super excited for. I got a $2 off coupon for Pacelle, the power caps, so can't go wrong with that. They also sent me a $5 off coupon for the Royal Canin cat food, so I can go to like PetSmart or Petco and go use that. Let's see what else we got. I also got a Nature's Path Organic Heritage Flake. So it looks like it's cereal maybe, but it's got kamut, kojorajan, I can't even spell, wheat, oats, spelt, barley, millet, and quinoa or whatever. So we got that. It is $1 off. So I think it's cereal, or it might be yeah, it is cereal. It says it right there. So we got like a little sample of that. I ended up getting a power cap. It feels like there's 2 of them in here, but it's not. I ended up getting a...
hiccups and drink some more and freeze it. Then get me some more.
Okay. You got the hiccups? I'll get you some water. So here we got a nice little sample of the Pacelle. It is like one of the little pods. So this is my favorite laundry detergent. And I'm really excited to use this because I love Pacelle. So let's see what else we got. I got one little more sample.
These are the cookie cards.
Look what I got for you. So here we got Welch's fruit and yogurt snacks. This is strawberry. Ben already sees this. I wish he'd eat oatmeal more often, but what are you going to say?
Thank you.
Okay, there you go, sweetie. So we got little Welch's fruit snacks. So that was all was inside my box. I'm pretty excited. I mean, I got some great coupons to use. Plus, I got some products to sample that I've never used before. And that's all they want you to do. They want you to sample it. I have gotten full boxes of hair dye from them. I've gotten feminine stuff like crazy. And I got some other random stuff. So definitely join it if you guys want. They didn't email me. I just love their products, and it's super easy. It's very close to Pinch Me, but it's at random. But I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you guys that watch my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I enjoy it. You guys are great friends. I want to say thank you again if I haven't already. But I will see you guys all later in the next freebie video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.